Lead counsel may respond.
Nasaan? Ang kopya, naka-affidavit. Meron po akong copy. Counsel, what is the answer? Nasa nabisa.
You may proceed, counsel.
Please, take from representative on witness is allowed to produce a copy was mentioned.
It's still
Ano ba? Pwede lang makita. Continue to the discussion of such counsel and this is not only it appears that the two documents are not the same and that the marked documents contains a page and attached there to is an USB. However, the copy of director material does not contain that page. It appears, Your Honor, that the two documents are not the same and that
diligently cross-examine the witness in this document that he
Cross-examination today, and if
time that any counsel for the parties is asking for a continuance, the chair will so grant it as well. Should the counsel for the prosecutors or the lead prosecutor or panel of prosecutors to ask for a continuance. But at this time, the chair will grant a continuance request.
Presiding officer, and respectfully, this is still ongoing. It's a continuing investigation. May we know, Mr. Presiding Officer, the NBI's Article 4 at impeachment court, considering na sasara na po itong presentation of evidence Article 4.
Senator Judge Villanueva, the rule is that they should be the one deciding should that happen.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, Mr. Presiding Officer. So just to put on record, Mr. Presiding Officer, na it
Interest of the respective clients. You may proceed, sir, with your questions. Your comments.
Thank you, Mr. President. Direct Permittee, but for the benefit.
yung findings po,
Laging siya.
yes, I think impeachable offense and again, that's why I
Sa Mila niya, no?
kanina na yung 5-point pinto na
Napaisa ka rin yung bodong. Endpoint to endpoint siya.
Wasa.
Klaro sa iyo, Maya.
Puro sa kanan diri.
Ulan.
Masyadong maliwanag.